So this is it mga kasangkayan, we are now going to cook the marubu fruit that na hiningi ko doon sa Dolores Eastern Samar. So this is the first time that I saw this kind of fruit, and this is also going to be the first time that I'm going to cook and eat ng ganitong klase ng pruta. Sabi nila, it's like you are eating some nuts or peanuts. Ilalaga lang natin yung pagluto nitong marubu fruit. So, doon sa mga nakakakilala nito, please comment down below kung ano yung English term ng fruit na to. Yan o. Let's see kung ano nga, kung parang kumakain din lang ng ng nuts or mani. Pagkain itong marubu fruit. So this is it mga kasangkayan, we are now going to cook the marubu fruit na hiningi natin doon sa Upland Barangay ng Dolores Eastern Samar. So this is the first time that I saw this kind of fruit, and this is going also to be the first time that we are going to cook and eat this kind of fruit. Sabi nila, it's like you're eating nuts or peanuts. So ang pag lang nito, pagluto ay lang natin, ilalaga. But we are not going to cook all of this kasi titikim lang muna tayo ng ilan. So we are just going to boil this. Ayan.